Alright, so to get started, this is just a quick scroll through of my quiz. I've got questions from each of the sections that are going to be involved in my interactive module, and these are the responses that I got. Now, this is showing it all in its true data form right here. You can see the percentages on what the answers were, but you can even take this a step further, not so much data-wise, but you can separate it into each individual person if you choose. This way then you can use it, if you're using it as a quiz, you can check and see what answers they put in, or in a much more simple way, you can also just make it straight into a spreadsheet just from this little button right here. But that is about it from me. This is all the data that I got. I got 8 people to respond. I tried to get more, but a lot of people don't know a lot about Samurai, sadly. And that'll be it from me.